Today I'm going to teach you how to change your route in Google Maps. Whether you're looking for a faster path or want to avoid certain roads, knowing how to adjust your route can save you time and make your journey more efficient. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps, where you can plan and modify your routes according to your preferences. For this tutorial, let's assume you already have a route set up. Maybe you've entered your starting point and destination, and Google Maps has automatically generated a path for you. Now you're looking at your screen with the route displayed on the map. Here's something useful to know. Google Maps often provides alternative routes, giving you different choices to reach your destination. These alternatives might be faster, shorter, or avoid tolls depending on what you prefer. To switch to one of these alternative routes, simply click on the route you want to use. The moment you click it, Google Maps will automatically update your navigation to follow that new path. It's incredibly straightforward and gives you flexibility right from the start. But what if you want to stick with your current route and just make some adjustments along the way? Maybe you want to pass through a specific street or avoid a particular area. Google Maps makes this easy too. To do this, hover your mouse cursor over any point on your current route. You'll notice that the line becomes interactive and your cursor may change to indicate you can grab it. Once you're hovering over the route, click and hold your mouse button, then drag the route to another street or location on the map. As you drag, you'll see the route dynamically adjusting in real time. Release your mouse button once you've positioned the route where you want it, and Google Maps will automatically recalculate the path to incorporate your change. This feature is perfect for customizing your journey to meet specific needs, like stopping by a friend's house or taking a scenic route. However, keep in mind that sometimes the route will not adjust if your modification doesn't fit logically within the overall path. For example, if you try to drag the route to a location that's too far off course or not connected by roads, Google Maps might not accept the change. In such cases, the route will snap back to its original position and you'll need to try a different adjustment or choose an alternative route instead. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your route in Google Maps using both alternative routes and manual adjustments. These simple techniques give you complete control over your navigation experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.